Because I am not starting over.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Christine, je tenais à français, j'ai non pas.
What the?
Hi, my name is Christine. I was not born in France and I did not save my country, although I wish I did. That's just my intro, so yeah. So, I've got Michaela here who's also doing her own video.
Are you ready? Say hi. Hi. I have a special guest. Say hi.
Yeah, we're both doing videos.
I got a blue drink. Blue tongue.
Hold up.
Yeah.
If you guys do, I'm gonna show you my dog.
Your what?
My doggy! She's my doggy, guys! She'll be spending time with me throughout the video. Mwah. No, she does her own thing. Oh! She doesn't want to be with me. Mean!
Are you sure
Mean.
nobody wants to be with you right now?
Oh,
I'm kidding, because your female is rude.
wait, what? What did you just say?
I said, are you sure anybody wants to be with you right now?
Mean!
No, sorry.
You're mean!
I feel like I'm just pending Andrew right now. Therefore, I did not. I think to upload this video.
Yeah, I don't think you should either. Oof.
I'll watch it though.
No, like redo it.
I know. I am right now.
Okay, I won't bother.
Just say hi.
Hi, guys!
No, wait. I say go.
BRB.
Ready?
Hi!
I haven't started yet. Are you still here? No. Okay.
I am back with the mystical pot full of candy.
Okay, ready? Set. Go.
Hi!
Hi. That was cool.
If you're wondering, I'm chewing on Skittles.
Hi. Ow! That hurt.
What'd you do? No.
It's all on my computer. No, I'm kidding. I would never.
That's what I collected from Halloween.
What?
Michaela, this is after Halloween.
What?
It's after Halloween. You know what? I'm going to send you a text message and then you'll understand.
Okay. Or Skype people. Does that even work out? You don't even have my Skype. I'm very glitchy though. I'm not going to upload this video. This is just done. Goodbye. You make the best videos, Christine.
Alright, it's done. I'm obsessed with Skittles. If I had to choose between Skittles and M&M's, well, okay. If you guys had to choose between Skittles and M&M's, what would you pick? Subscribe and leave a comment down below. I'm having like bunches of fun. Alright, so I'm gonna end this video here. See you later, guys. Bye! Au revoir!